welcome. In front of me I have the BOSE Portable Home Speaker, and today I'll go over a quick unboxing of it and just a little sound test. Though keep it in mind that the sound test won't probably be representative of what the actual speaker sounds like, considering it's going to be making whatever music it's going to be playing. It's going to be picked up by the microphone, and then you will be listening to it on whatever kind of sound source you will be listening to it. So there is a couple things that will change, most likely how the actual sound comes out, but hopefully it still gives some kind of representation of how it sounds. So anyway, pop it straight open. Actually, I don't need a knife. Thank you, BOSE. And there we just almost lift it up. There's another little pull tab. There we go. So nothing in the box on the top side. So in here we get a charger. Now as you can see, it does have a Type-C port, which is kind of nice. And here we got a adapter. Now one of the things that I guess we can do here is you have the adapters. So for me, obviously it's the European one, but for instance, if you live in the US, you will have a different one, and all BOSE really needs to do is just swap them out, right? So the same charger, just a different little fitting right here, and you just slide it on. That's all you need to do. And obviously also if you travel a lot and you want to bring this along, all you really need to do is just get a different fitting, and you can take the same charger everywhere, just have a couple different ones to swap the plugs for different countries. And we get a Type-C to Type-C charger, or charging cable. It looks like that's all we have in the box, so I'm going to just drop that back in here and move over to the speaker. Now it is significantly smaller than I expected, actually. The packaging is obviously way bigger than the speaker. Okay, so let's see if we have some charge. Oh, come on, really? Well, that sucks. So apparently the speaker doesn't have any charge in it, which makes this a little bit weird. Makes me feel like I'm missing something here. This looks like it's a charging base little plate, so you can just plop it in somewhere and just have it on a charging plate. Kind of like, for instance, whoa. Okay, I don't want to drop that. Kind of, for instance, like this one was for the SoundLink Mini. You had a base plate and you just kind of plop it on here. But for SoundLink Mini, it came with the actual speaker. Here, it looks like it does not. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna quickly plug it in. So there we go. Ah, there we go. Okay, so let's pair it to my phone. Now, for some reason, I cannot lower the volume of that, which is
battery 29%.
Which is not
To
very
start
nice.
setup, download the BOSE Music app.
Excuse me, what? I just want to pair.
Ready to connect.
There we go. For some reason, I was booting up for quite some time. It still had I would say, enough battery life, 29%, and most certainly didn't charge that in a span of 5 minutes. Or even less, so not sure why I didn't want to turn on.
5G tower connected.
And from here, let's just go back to my music, and I'm gonna play just a sample here. Ooh, so not sure if you see this. I mean, obviously you can. The little ring that is around here does signify the actual volume of the speaker. So you can see it increases. Now on my phone it is pretty quiet, so that's why it's not as loud as you would expect. Let's see, one more additional thing. I want to see if in the settings I can make it control, sync volume with phone. And you can see it's making it louder and quieter. Okay, so let's go back to see something else maybe. Okay, so just a quick thought on it. The actual sound quality here is really good for obviously the size of this. It is portable, so that's nice. The reason why I point this out in a way is because I literally unboxed, I don't know, a couple days ago, a Marshall wireless home Bluetooth speaker. That's exactly what it says on the box. And one of the things that was missing was the wireless part, even though it genuinely says on the box wireless. It needs to be constantly plugged into power source, has no built-in battery. Though that one was one bigger, two sounded actually better, but also obviously it had no battery and no Alexa support, or not Alexa, Google Assistant support, which I believe this one does, considering we have microphone and so on, but you most likely need to set it up. And the UI here is significantly better. Now, this tiny little speaker comes at $399 based on the actual BOSE website. So you can probably get it for a little bit cheaper somewhere else on like Amazon or eBay, stuff like that. So you could probably find a more competitive price than what BOSE actually offers, which is kind of weird, to be honest, considering this is the case for majority of the products. If you looking at their official website, you can probably find it cheaper somewhere else. But yeah, for the price, I would have to say it's a little bit high on the price, considering you have other devices like JBLs, which do have also outstanding sound, and they do cost, I think, a little bit cheaper. And yeah, so this, I guess you do pay for the brand right here primarily, considering it is almost, well, it's basically $400 for a tiny speaker, which obviously, because of its size limitations, it won't deliver as much punchy sound as something like a JBL Extreme, which, let me quickly check because I think it might be even cheaper. I don't know how many of them came out. Extreme 2. So yeah, JBL Extreme 2 as an example, which, let's see if there is 3. And there is a 3. I did test out JBL Extreme 2, and I will say that I believe it sounded a little bit, or not a little bit, but a bit better, just because of its sheer size. It is going to be a bigger speaker. It is also water resistant and has basically the same features, just the sheer size of it allows it to have a fuller sound, something that this speaker would probably be doing better if it was just a little bit bigger. The only limitation here is just strictly the size. So yeah, with that being said, considering a JBL as an example Extreme 2, there's 3 and maybe even 4, I'm not exactly sure, but I know there is 3 at least. But even the third one, it costs still less than this, while offering probably more than this, though I guess it's probably up to individual person what they value more, for instance style, brand, or strictly sound quality and couple additional features. So anyway, with that being said, that was the unboxing of the BOSE speaker, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.